Please welcome Ken Rosenthal, please.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Louise. Good morning. I am so pleased to be talking with you today. When I was asked to be your interim president last month, I wrote to you saying, I believe in Hampshire College. I believe in Hampshire's capacity to survive and succeed even in difficult times, and lately, the times have been difficult indeed. But I know we are all trying to do what is best for our college, and this morning, I salute you all for your efforts. Thank you. I especially want to thank those staff and faculty who have served so diligently, some for many years, and who will now be leaving us. The need to downsize the college for a time means the departure of some dear friends and colleagues. To you, I say that to some extent we all share the pain of your going, and I thank you again for all you have given us. We will miss you. And still, I believe in Hampshire College. I have been a believer since that day in the summer of 1965, when the New York Times reported on its front page that 3 fine New England colleges and a great state university had created a new college in South Amherst, Hampshire College. The Times then said that the college had just one employee, Charles Longsworth. Well, you beat me to it, because what I was going to say, and I will now, is Chuck Longsworth and his wife, Polly Longsworth, were commissioned to buy the land for the new college even before it had a name. He became our second president. They both are honorary graduates of Hampshire College, and they are here today. So Chuck just rose. Chuck and Polly, both of you rise, please. We want to... The Making of a College, the seminal document co-authored by Chuck Longsworth, in which Hampshire College was planned, emphasized the importance of student-centered education. Today we celebrate the realization of that planning, our graduating class. We celebrate your achievement in navigating the complicated route through Hampshire to your Division III success and to your degree. We know the pathway seemed like a maze at times, with dead ends, blind alleys, and roads that took you to destinations you never imagined. Well, that's life. And this college was designed to be more like real life, than traditional colleges are. I hope that you found it to be so. Yet for all that you have participated in real life while here on Hampshire's campus, the college has kept you apart, even protected you some from the rest of the world for the last few years. Today, we send you out there. We send you into a world unlike any that your grandparents, even your parents, imagined when they were your age. Our understanding of technology, of biology, of the smallest parts of human beings and the vast reaches of the universe, our knowledge of the world within and around us is expanding at a stunning rate. Hampshire College cannot pretend to have given you all the knowledge to deal with that world. You know, knowledge is not enough. Non satis sere. But, yep, that's Hampshire. But I do believe that Hampshire has offered you all the skills of inquiry and critical thinking that will help you find your way in this evolving world. and in fact, a better way in this world for you and for all of us. I think you are ready to meet the world on your terms. I believe in you. Robert Frost, the great American poet, used to live in Amherst, and he loved to talk with college students. And he once said, and this is a quote from Robert Frost, "Join a college, then you won't have to join anything else." Well, you've joined Hampshire College. The fact that you joined Hampshire will be on your resume forever. And mine. You have been a part of us since you applied here years ago, and Hampshire is a part of you. You are now about to become a member of a special group, Hampshire College alums. Enjoy the benefits. Enjoy the benefits, embrace the obligations. Welcome to your new status. To you who are about to graduate, I congratulate you. Thank you.